Hi, I'm Annette from PartyWow, and today I want to show you something else from our Sesame Street party range. Today we have the Mega Value Pack, which is 48 pieces of Party Favours. Now these Party Favours can be used in your favour bags, loot bags, or they can be used as prizes for the children on the day. So I'll just get these all out and show you. Everything's very well packed. So we have 8 of the prisms. So it's got Elmo on, and the child just looks through and it gives that prism effect through there. So there's 8 of those. Just perfect for any loot bags. Then we have 8. Can't say it's not packed properly. 8 paper money. So it's just different money that the children can have. I'm just checking that that's 8. Yeah, there's 8 play money pads. Let me just look at this. There's more than 8 in there. So I think that there is 5, 10, 1, 5, 10, 20, and that's a whole pad. So you'd pull that off and they would have a few different paper money from each range. So there's 8 of those. There is 8 rulers. So that's quite a good, it's plastic, and we've got the centimetres on the one side, and on the opposite side it says inches. So there's 8 of those. Then we have the attitude bracelets. There's 8 of those again. So just the typical bracelets you see people getting around in. And the child wears it. They come in Elmo and Cookie Monster. Then we have the spinning tops. So everyone knows a typical spinning top. It's got all the characters in and spin. Children love them. And then the stickers. So I think there is just 8 stickers. So it's just one set with the 8 stickers on, probably to stick down the loot bags or maybe a little envelope inside. So that's what you get in the Mega Value Pack. If you have any questions about this Mega Value Pack or anything else in the Sesame Street range, please don't hesitate to ask, and please subscribe to us to see more videos. Thank you.
Sunny day, sleeping up.